Hello students. In this video, we're going to explore something that's all around us but often goes unnoticed: time. Time helps us keep track of everything we do, whether it's waking up in the morning, playing, or going to bed at night. We measure time to understand how long things take, and the tool we often use for this is an analog clock. Have you seen one before? It has a round face with numbers from 1 to 12. Now, let's look at the hands of the clock. The thin hand is for seconds, ticking quickly. The big hand tells us the minutes. The small hand shows us the hours. Now, did you know there are two ways to express time? We use the 12-hour format and the 24-hour format. In the 12-hour format, the day is split into two parts, AM and PM. AM is for the morning and goes from midnight, 12 AM, to noon, 12 PM. Then we switch to PM, which is for the afternoon and evening, starting at 12 PM and going back to midnight. So, if the time is 3:45 AM, it's early morning, but 3:45 PM means it's the afternoon. Now, the 24-hour format is a bit different because it counts the hours continuously from midnight. So, instead of saying AM or PM, you just keep counting. For example, 3:45 AM is written as 3:45, and 3:45 PM becomes 15:45. When we talk about a quarter of time, we mean 1/4 of an hour. So, if the time is 9:15, we say it's quarter past 9. When we talk about a half past of time, we mean 1/2 of an hour. So if it's 9:30, we say half past 9. And if it's 9:45, we say quarter to 10. Time can also be measured in years, months, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. You can even convert between these units. For example, 1 year equals 12 months, 1 week equals 7 days, 1 day equals 24 hours, 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So, if you have 5 years, that's the same as 60 months, because 5 times 12 equals 60. Now let's talk about some common words we use for days. Today is the current day, yesterday is the day before today, and tomorrow is the day after today. For example, if today is Thursday, then yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Here's a quick question for you. What is 3:45 PM in the 24-hour format? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.